Today I'll be making a veggie stock for a dish that I am going to make. It's a dish that is kind of an experiment. I don't know how it will turn out. And so I needed a stock, and it's a vegetarian dish, so I'm making a veggie stock. All right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and roast these in the oven. I'm not sure exact temperature, like slightly above 150 C for 1 hour, and then we'll see. So I transferred all of the vegetables from the oven plate into a pot, and now I'm gonna boil it for 1 hour. I have already put some, I didn't get it on video, but I put some dried mushroom as well into the pot here. I'm also gonna take some salt. Oh yeah, and I also put a couple of bay leaves in. Now I'm going to make a cream lemon sauce for my potato dumplings. The potatoes are boiling right now because I need time to let them cool down before I mix them with the flour and eggs. But now I will make the sauce, and I will use my vegetable stock that I made yesterday in the cream lemon sauce. My idea is to let the vegetable stock reduce for a while and then add the cream, and then at the end add some lemon juice and lemon zest and possibly some salt and pepper. That's my idea. Let's see how this goes. So here's the veggie stock. And I'm gonna let that reduce for a little bit. And now I'm gonna add some cream. And I'm gonna let this reduce as well. As a final touch, I will add some lemon juice, like freshly squeezed lemon, and half a teaspoon of lemon zest. So here I have the chilled mashed potatoes. It's just boiled potatoes that I mashed with a fork here. I will add 1 egg, and I will add as much flour as I need. teaspoon of salt, or half a teaspoon maybe. Yeah, probably half a teaspoon. So it's a little bit too sticky, and I will add some more flour here. It looks pretty good. And I'll let this rest in the fridge for a while. I'm gonna do the filling of the dumplings now. I will now cut some chanterelles and some leek. And now it's time to chop. Is it chop or no, it's chop. That's where you buy stuff. It's time to chop some parsley and some tarragon that I will put in my filling together with the chanterelles and the beautiful leek. Gorgeous. So now I will make a filling for the dumplings. Butter. We're building some fond here on the bottom of the pan. Smells delicious. I hit it with some white wine. And I forgot to mention, I also have some cheese, Gruyere cheese. So it's a very nice cheese. I forgot that, but I'm gonna grate it and put it in. In with the herbs. So you gotta get some cheese. Mmm, delicious. I have the grated cheese here. I'll put it in. Mmm, that is delicious. I'm gonna let this cool off now before I put it in the potato dough, the dumpling dough. Alright, I will now take the potato dough and cut it up in pieces and then roll the piece by piece by piece. World peace. That would be nice. Alright, so I will roll them out and put some filling on them and then like try to close them up, and then I will boil them. So I have made the dumplings with the dough and the filling, and now I will put them in boiling water and let them boil for maybe 10 minutes. So this is the way it looks. It's pretty weird. They're still intact. The dough is not broken. It's a very critical moment. They're pretty large. And now I will fry the dumplings in the pan. Everything can go wrong, but hopefully they won't. Now hit it with some salt here. Alright, it's now time to try this weird creation. So we gotta take a look at the cross section here. You can see that it looks pretty good. There's the filling. Let's try it with some of the filling here. That is delicious. It's very good. I'm very happy with the result. Yeah, really cool. Alright, so is it the best thing I have ever made or the best thing I will ever do? Probably not, but it is very good. It's well balanced. Maybe the one thing this dish doesn't have is crunch. There's no crunchy element really, but I'm very happy actually.